Hello guys, welcome all of you back with our web application development discussion series. Today we are going to talk about how we can design this invoice web page. In our invoice web page, first here we have inserted our header part. Then we have given two buttons to print this invoice or export this invoice as a PDF. After that, here we have inserted our eShop logo. Then at the right side, here we have inserted our company name as eShop, then our address, our mobile number and our email address. After that part, here we have inserted receiver's details and we have given receiver name and the email address. Then here we have inserted our invoice number and here we have also inserted the date and time of this invoice. After that, here we have inserted a table and in here we have displayed the purchase product detail. First here we have inserted the ID and then here we have inserted the product title. After that, unit price, purchased quantity, the total price for those quantity, and then here we have inserted the subtotal and the delivery fee. After that, at the end of our table, we have inserted grand total and it contains both subtotal and delivery fees. And then here we have inserted a note as thank you. After our table, in here we have inserted a notice as purchased item can return before 7 days of delivery. Then instead of including a signature, here we have inserted the invoice was created on a computer and is valid without the signature and seal. After our invoice, at the bottom of our page, we have inserted our footer design. So let's go into our code and see how we have designed this. Here we have our invoice.php file. First, we have inserted our HTML version tag, then HTML opening. Within the HTML opening and HTML cosine tag, we have inserted our head part and our body part. Within the head part, first we have inserted Bootstrap meta tags, then the title of this web page. Then we have linked our style sheet into this invoice.php file. We have linked bootstrap.css file, style.css file and bootstrap icons.css file with this file. Then from here we have changed our web application icon into this logo.svg icon. In our body area, first we have inserted our container div and then within our container here we have inserted our header.php file into this invoice.php file. Then we have separated our header from the rest of our design using a horizontal line. Then here we have inserted two buttons as print and export as PDF. After that, we have also used another horizontal line to separate this button from the invoice design. In here, we have inserted our company details. We have inserted our company name as eShop. Then here we have inserted our address, mobile number and our email address. Then we have used this part to display the receiver's detail of this invoice. And we have given the receiver's name, receiver's address and receiver's email address. After that, we have inserted the invoice number, date and time of this invoice. After those details, here we have inserted our table. We have used table opening and closing tags. Within the table tags, first we have inserted th head tags. We use th head tag to define our column names. Then here we have inserted the table row. Within the table row, we have inserted our column names as order ID and product, unit price, quantity, and price. After the th head closing tag, here we have inserted our th body opening and closing tags. Within this opening and closing tag, we have also inserted the table row. Then within the table row tags, here we have inserted our table data, and we have inserted the ID, the product ID, the title of this product, unit price, quantity, and the total price. After inserting our purchased items details, we have used T4 tags to create our subtotal part, delivery fee part, and our grand total part. We have given subtotal value here, and then the delivery fee here, and the grand total value here. After that, we have used this span to display our thank you note. Then we have used this part to give a notice as purchased item can return before 7 days of delivery. In here, we have also used a horizontal line to separate this notice and our signature part. We have used this part to display our signature. Instead of using an actual signature, here we have given a label as invoice was created on a computer and is valid without the signature and seal. At the bottom of our page, here we have included our footer.php file into this invoice.php file. Then at the bottom of this file, we have linked our script files into these files. We have linked bootstrap.bundle.js file and script.js file. Then here we have our body closing tag and HTML closing tag. So guys, that's all for today. Thanks all of you for joining with me. See you in the next video.